It is sure enough raining out here. My goodness. See my hummingbird feeder? But I tell you, these plants, these flowers, they're getting some good watering this year. My goodness, look at that. The other day we had a thunderstorm, lightning, trees blown down everywhere, especially in Minneapolis. There's a lot of bad ones in St. Paul too, but Minneapolis had some, oh my goodness. But yeah, the tree cracked over here, if you can see that off over there. And it's kind of a berry tree. The berries are kind of good. It's kind of sad that that tree cracked. I don't know if it's going to have to be taken down or maybe just that branch and then patched up. I don't know. But it is sure enough raining out here. Lately it's been raining in the middle of the night. And we had some serious flooding. Look at that car going through the water. Because it's been raining so much, these sewer systems are backing up. I mean, it's kind of flooding out here a little bit. But over North Minneapolis, they had, oh my goodness, some of the flooding over there was just terrible. I saw some pictures on Facebook where the water was really, really elevated. This is crazy. This year, we had a lot of snow because we had snow into May this year in Minnesota. And so, look at that. And so it's been kind of non-stop rain since it stopped snowing. You know, I don't know. I guess we just really needed the moisture, huh? See my hummingbird feeder again? All my bird feeders out in the back. But this is crazy. Yeah, I mean, you know, things are growing nice and green. I bet farmers, well, I don't know, I suppose the flooding in the fields are happening. Farmers are being flooded out. Look at that. You can see, oh my goodness. Wow, I was gonna take my walk here soon. You know, I walk every day, at least a mile, my 90 miles in 90 days. But, I'm not walking out in this river. No. Well, I mean, you know, I've got rain gear. I've got a couple umbrellas. I could do it. But am I going to? Not right now. It's been a minute since I've been on social cam. I started a 60-day juicing fast, June 18th. That was a week and a day ago. So far, well, yesterday was my 7 days or whatever, and lost 20 pounds. I haven't weighed myself yet today, but juicing fast is going good. Doing 40 days of purpose-driven life and 90 miles in 90 days. And I took some before shots, and I'm going to probably take photos of myself because, as y'all know, I'm a big guy, but I'm trying to get smaller. So I'm going to take shots every week, pictures, But I'm going to do my social camming too. I was going to be a little bit better this last week, but I didn't do any social camming at all. So anyways, I was just intrigued by the rain. So I figured I wanted to catch that on social cam. This is just crazy. Yeah, it's better to drive on that side because anyways, my video's gotten to be 4 minutes, so I'll end now. Peace. Oh, see ya.